present the Tequila Town Smart Band. We are Mathilde, Adrian, Lucas, Jose, and Veronica.
Our main proposal is to make the guests have a better experience at Tequila Town by using the Tequila Smart Band, which will be linked to the app and will provide different features.
So, yeah, how does it work? So we thought about the Tequila Smart Band as a band which will be offered in the hotels or in a special information station in Tequila. So the tourists get there, get through the hotel, they can get the smart band from the reception, and then they will just connect it with the app from Tequila, which will then provide the information to the app and to the band. They can take, they have different routes they can select, like guided tours, either like the tour that takes an hour, a tour that takes half an hour, a tour that will involve everything, a tour that will just take 3 or 4 historical things they need to see, they want to see. So then they will put on the smart band, and the smart band will locate them or will direct them through Tequila. For example, I take the smart band on, I look at it, it says, okay, in 100 meters, turn right. I will turn right, then suddenly it will start vibrating and say, look up. I look up, there's a big flat screen on the wall. Okay, so I will connect my smart band to the wall, the flat screen will unlock, and information will be displayed on the screen. This information can be like, this is you're standing in front of the cathedral. The cathedral is from the 15th century. So the tourist will get information, will have a guided tour, but is the guide himself. At the end of the presentation on the screen, there will be some questions, like a little quiz. If he answers all questions right, he will get promo codes, he will get a QR codes, he will get maybe discounts in restaurants, which will then motivate him to visit other restaurants and to spend money in the restaurant or bars, as he not only will consume one drink that was free, but maybe also get dinner there or another drink.
So now we're gonna present a little video of how our band works. You put the bracelet on your hand, and then it appears like an hologram with the screen of your phone, and you can see in your arm, projected in your arm, all the directions and all the attractions and everything that's gonna guide you to the tour and everything.
How does the Tequila Smart Band work? We have 3 main areas: customer engagement, which includes self-guided tours, easy access and paying, and personal experience throughout the city. The second main area is service innovation, which includes using the Tequila Smart Band app as guide, provide a personal experience using the latest technology, and give Tequila Town more relevant information about tourists by knowing more exact data about their state and their location. Our third main area is product performance. The band will provide directions through Tequila Town, unlock info screens, which will be placed throughout the city, and receive win coupon rewards.
So how does it work? Like, what technology is used? So the smart band will sync with the app that already exists, and so can provide exact GPS location with the chip that's inside the band, which then will provide better knowledge about the data where the tourists were. So also, it will unlock the information on the screens. You can think of like, this is the band, they walk to the screen, and they unlock it, and the information will stream. So also, it's connected to Wi-Fi to be better accessible, and also will provide the information about the user, like its interests or the credit card information for paying. So how will it improve Tequila Town? It will provide exact data about the tourists, the visitors, and their stay in Tequila, which then can be used for seeing where did they move, like the GPS location, where did they move inside Tequila Town, which ways did they take, where did they spend most of their time, which then can be used to improve the places where they spend their time. Also, by knowing the credit card information, Tequila Town knows where they spend their money, how much money they spend, and that information can either,
That's fine.
And this information can then be used to improve those places. And combining all those, we can say, okay, we find out the main attractions from Tequila Town, and then use this as advertising for the future and future tourism.